Let's watch movies these days. Millions of Americans streaming videos to their TVs over the internet.
And you might use a set-top box like Apple TV or Roku, but Blu-ray players are another great option. Consumer Reports tested out the latest models to see how they stack up. Here's Nina Pineda with the results.
In these days of streaming video, you might think a Blu-ray player is out of date. Consumer Reports says think again after testing 19 players that cost between $250 and $65.
Most of the newest Blu-ray players offer lots of the same streaming services as you'll find on a dedicated streaming device.
Those can include Vudu, Netflix, Hulu Plus, Amazon Instant Video, YouTube, and a host of others. Many players have interfaces that are easy to use and built-in Wi-Fi, so you don't have to run a wire to connect with your home network. But the real appeal, in addition to streaming, you can play discs, including DVDs, CDs, and Blu-ray discs.
Our tests show that Blu-ray disc provides simply the best possible HD picture quality you can get without any of the buffering that you might get from internet streaming services.
Consumer Reports says one Blu-ray player to consider is this $150 Samsung. It has a built-in web browser and supports a USB keyboard and mouse, handy when you search for titles. Another plus, it can upscale standard high-def movies to 4K resolution, a bonus if you have an ultra-high-definition TV. For far less, Consumer Reports recommends this LG player. It offers very good performance, but no web browser or 4K upscaling. At $85, it's a Consumer Reports best buy. Nina Pineda, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.